Hello, welcome to another diction class with Miss Yemi Ajagbe. Today we shall look at a particular sound that is usually butchered in this part of the world, and that sound is the sound O. O. Many people would say words like no, cloth, control, smoke, rope, grow, goal, tomato, potato, etc. But you shouldn't pronounce these words this way. You should go like no, clothes, control, smoke, rope, goal, tomato, potato. Okay, so you could say a sentence like, to sew a rope you have to go slow. Okay, the Lord's chosen church is close to my home. All right, so let's run through those words again. No, clothes, control, smoke, rope, goal, tomato, potato. All right, so today's class is a wrap. Remember to always practice, because practice makes perfection. And also do not forget that you should not only learn to speak, you should learn to speak right. Bye for now.